We're here to talk about Cinco de Mayo, which is coming up in a few days. And as our coming back from COVID episode, we wanted to hit you with the good stuff. I did not know that mezcal and tequila were, do we have mezcal here? We do, right?
We have mezcal, yeah.
Okay, I didn't know they were separate.
Yeah, so I'll give you an example. So tequila comes from the state of Jalisco. The mezcal is made from is called espadín. But espadín is the most one that can be cultivated. It's the most produced. Mezcal is from espadín.
So, but let me ask you a question. So the taste-wise, because I know what it is, but some people might not know what it is, because I had to ask, what's the taste difference between mezcal and tequila?
The mezcal stuff is, processed differently, so it's going to be a lot more smokier than tequila. Right? The longer you age a tequila in a barrel, the softer it gets.
Tequila is my preference when it comes to drinking anything outside of wine and champagne, in case anybody's interested. Just saying. That's a whole other conversation. We're here to drink. Drink responsibly.
Always.
And tastefully.
Yes.
Tastefully.
So
what you got?
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a mezcal blueberry margarita.
Cool.
Right? So first thing I'm going to do.
I'm going to leave you alone for this so you can talk to the camera. I got to do my thing. Oh my God, that's so good. Ooh, It has not just one flavor, it has 3 different flavors going on after I drink it. This is amazing. That's hot.
It's really balanced. It's not too sweet. It's not too smoky.
Perfect.
Everything's in harmony here.
This is a nice summer drink. Again, I feel this is a nice summer drink. I feel like it's something that you want to have on the rooftop.
Real balanced cocktail. It's really nice.
I should stop drinking because you're going to make another cocktail, right?
Yeah, I'll do another one.